Lead India, lead India, lead India. I am called as Professor Sudarshan Acharya. Acharya name was not given by my parents. It is the people in and around me watching, observing, attracted, and they added this suffix Acharya, and that has changed my whole of my life. Before I begin, at the lotus feet of Brahmarshi Patri Maharaj Ji, I wish to submit my respect and reverence to him, and all the meditators who are all organizing, listening, all this, I submit my respects to all of you. It is a great puzzle for an individual to understand who am I and what is the purpose of my life and who is running whole of my life and whole of this cosmic world. In this puzzle, to understand myself and the whole cosmic world, likewise for all the viewers also, first and basic thing, the time is God. Each one of us have got our own date of birth, and we do not know what is the date of death, but we all know that someday is written, and that is the end of my time, end of my lifetime. In between my journey of life is the time graced by the Lord. In this time, one fundamental principle that whole of the humanity need to understand, that purpose of the life. While understanding the purpose of life, one basic Indian Vedic quotation that Janmanam Narajanma Durlabham, getting this human life is a grace of the Almighty. 99% of the human beings are not going to reborn as a human being, the Skanda Purana says. Then what is that? How is that I have to live purposefully is a major question. In this connection, here I wish to share with you that 2020 has brought a big challenge, not to me, not to individual, a state or the nation, for whole of the universe. The whole scientific inventions, the egoistic achievements of the human beings were challenged by the COVID-19. So it has been proved that science has got no medicine for this. So it is Mother Nature which is challenging all of us. We need to understand this and dissolve our own ego, surrender to the nature, respect the nature mother, then automatically already it is going out, it will go out. Though purpose of the life is to understand the God, understand the time, understand Mother Nature. Then all the things will be set right by themselves. Now, in addition, I will share with you that this COVID-19 has taught us lot of things, that it is making India again a global leader. India was a global leader up to 17th century. We have lost it, and this time God is bringing India again the Vishwaguru global leadership. The COVID-19 has brought out all ancient Indian ways of life, scientific home remedies, beyond all the medicines, how naturally we all can win away this COVID-19 and its challenges. It is understand a natural way of life rather than taking medicines, just flowing out in the stream without understanding myself and the world, science and spirituality. Where science ends, spirituality begins. A fundamental factor for my own life we need to understand. So now 2020 is giving us a lesson that we be natural, we be surrender to the Lord, believe in God, believe in yourself, respect the nature, now and the future, automatically all things will be set right, my dear friends. This is one side. I am taking you to the another side of 2020 history. How this 2020 has become popular, how this Lead India 2020 has come into the picture, how Lead India 2020, our President Dr. Kalam declared that this is the national movement, how all this happened. I know it is a history and you are all want to know how Kalam called this Lead India 2020 as a national movement. My dear friends, as a scientist, as a patriotic person, he has dedicated his life only for the sake of the nation. He is not even married. He never dreamt of having any of his personal assets or personal any of the things. He only spent whole of his life only for the sake of the nation. So in his pursuit for the nation, to see this nation as a developed nation, which was his vision, in 1997, he published 12 years of his research named as India 2020, a vision for new millennium. In the same year, he got Bharat Ratna also. Why he got Bharat Ratna? It is because of his inventions, contributions to the country. Prithvi, Akash, Nag, Trishul, all the missiles, he has become a missile man of India. So, government has respected him with Bharat Ratna award. That has attracted a student like me, a student of human values. Why this person was given Bharat Ratna? He has revealed in his 12 years of research, India 2020. That is how we both were connected in 1997. And from there, the time God connected us down the line. In 2002, we got connected. How that connection, I will give you later on. But after that connection, from last 40 years, I have been doing research on ancient Indian way of Indian educational system. How values were inculcated. So I found out the hypothesis that values are not taught, values are caught. On this hypothesis, from last 40 years, I have been spending my life. In this journey, in meditation, I got a design where without external instructions to the students or to the children, you be disciplined, you be honest, you be righteous, without pinpointing all that. When I am pinpointing one finger with others, 3 fingers are pinpointing towards me, and above that the thumb is showing the God. So we have got no right to say, you be disciplined, you be honest. That was a question haunting me, and from last 40 years I have been doing research on that. And that design has got me PhD in human values, and that design has gone into the hands of the then President of India. And he has seen that design, then he called us that this should go to the whole of the nation and this should become a national movement. I will give you support. All that history I will share afterwards. So that is how in 2004 his India 2020 attached with my research of LEAD Foundation. So together it is LEAD India 2020 Foundation has emerged, and the model was called as Acharya Kalam's Human Transformative Model, and the vision was transforming whole of the humanity. This is the vision. Dr. Kalamji wrote a letter to the Ministry of HRD stating that this LEAD India 2020 is a silent revolution taking place. This should be integrated with the educational system. That is what he has written. So my dear friends, what is this LEAD India to share with you? I share that this is a human transformative model. Just like there was a revolution of industrial revolution, then green revolution, white revolution, now we see IT revolution. Likewise, this is going to be a human transformative revolution. In this revolution, my dear friends, all of you, I am sure you will agree that you people are intelligent than us and your children are intelligent than yourself. So the time God is improving the IQ levels from one generation to the another generation. This is what the gift of God. That is what we all have to respect our children, respect the teachers, respect the students, respect their IQ levels, respect their inquisitiveness for technology. Also recognize the global opportunities that are going to come, particularly to India, to make again India a global leader. So all of us need to understand this. And when if you observe the whole of India, 65% of our population is below 35 years. Now 50% of our population is below 25 years. Now average age of India is only just 29 years, my dear friends. So in this transformation, time God has made Sanatana Bharat, ancient India, as a young India, a global leader. In this young India, as a citizen of India, as a co-human being in this universe, when we are all observing that values are degrading, corruption is, individual corruption is increasing, thereby national corruption, universal corruption also is increasing. That is why the COVID has come. Because of our corruption, our corruptive attitude against the nature has brought the COVID-19. So here all of us need to understand what we need, nature will give. But beyond need, if we have greed, nature will not give you. So we will be happy when we be with our fulfilling our needs, not going to the greed, my dear friends. So now, since the whole of India is full of 50% population, in the days to come, in another 2030, in 2050, in 2030, India is going to become highest populated country in the world. We are going to beat the China in 2030, my dear friends. And this growth rate is going to increase up to 2050. So, India has got to gain this youth dividends in highest way possible to become again a global leader. That is a great opportunity. That is how, with the inspiration of the then President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ji, LEAD India 2020 movement has started with a vision to achieve developed India. The mission is ignite, train, nurture this 50% of youth who are below 25 years. That is the mission of the Lead India 2020. And for all of them, education is the hub, education is the platform. If we look into that, is the education complete? What is happening in the whole of India with our 73 years of independent India's educational fruits? We have made a survey. In that survey, only 5% of graduates are getting jobs, 20% are studying something, getting some other jobs, 75% are getting added into educated unemployment. Okay. So if it continues, if the same education system continues also, same educated unemployment will be growing up, and tomorrow whomsoever forms government, whatever party, political party comes into the powers, will they be able to give jobs to the educated youth? Nobody, because there is a big disproportion is there. The quantum of the youth that they are coming into the market and the opportunities for them to get jobs is very wide. So nobody can give them really jobs. So what is that we have to do? That is what Lead India 2020 is bringing a big change. Why this situation, this scenario is happening? All of us have studied the education what our Free India from last 73 years has given the education system as per Education Act. Who has made this Education Act? It is in 1835, Lord Macaulay. To conquer India, to make Indians as a clerks, they have made an equation. For this job, this is the course, this is the certificate, this is the syllabus, this is the examination, these are the marks. Based on that equation, they have made all our Indians as a clerks, slaves. They were ICS, they were the rulers. So as such, we have become slaves. Unfortunately, same Education Act has become part of our constitution, just like the Railway Act, like Insurance Act, like Police Act. Like Education Act also has been implemented in the same way for last 73 years. As a result, educated unemployment is growing. Lot of social imbalances are coming up. So now it is in the form of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has brought National Education Policy 2020, which is revamping the whole existing education system, giving opportunity for every Indian, students, teachers, parent, to think about the education system and its impact. Take the freedom. It has become a public debate. Everywhere we are seeing webinars on this National Education Policy. Likewise, Lead India 2020, this training program which we have started with 2004, with Developed India as a national goal. Now Modi ji's government also has got same nara, Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas. Vikas means development. So now development is only the way for everybody in the whole of the country. So for development of our youth, education should be changed. That is why National Education Policy. That is how our Lead India 2020, Aap Badho, Desh Ko Padhao. Individual development leads to national development. That is how we have given a mapping of Lead India, Aap Badho, Desh Ko Padhao with the National Education Policy, and now it is going across the country. All India Council for Technical Education, University Grants Commission, all they have recognized this. They are giving us opportunity to go across the country and give the Lead India, Aap Badho, Desh Ko Padhao, my dear friends. In this educational leadership, I wish to share that each and every one of you have got a role to play here. The education is no more government. Government also wants public partnership here. So through this platform, I am making you an appeal to every one of you. Join this Lead India, join your students, give them training for Aap Badho, Desh Ko Badhao. Your individual development will bring you out of unemployment, put you into your mind a seed that not the job seeker, how the job giver, how you can give jobs. If we are able to sow that sort of a seed in our youth with their IQ levels, with their technology, they will be different persons, my dear friends. Believe in our youth, they can do miracles. Youth empowerment is national empowerment. So let us make it a nationwide movement, starting from me, starting from you, starting from your own family, starting with your own youth in your own house. Believe in them. Make a change. While doing that change, the fundamental requirement for the education is, it is not making doctors, engineers, no more. Now, lot of careers are coming up. No more doctor, engineer. Anything, taking a video, making a short film, or using the technology in their own passionate way. Singer can become a professional, dancer can become a professional, artist can become a professional. Anybody can create their own passions as a professions and give employment for others. This is a small change. Can we bring it? Just a small sort of a thought, food for thought I am giving you, number one. Number two, what change is required in our education system? What change is required in our own children? Besides becoming doctor and actor, my dear friend, doctor and engineer, we are all seeing doctors, though we respect Vaidyo Narayano Hari, they are selling kidneys of the patients. What more cheating you want from the doctors? What is happening in the whole of these corporate hospitals? What is the rate? What are the doctors are doing there? For everything, diagnosis, everything, you are writing the medicines one after another, so many things. Is it really required? In our ancient Indian way, we need not go there. If your eyes are glowing, if your face is glowing, if your nails has got a nice red, if your eyes have got red, if your urine is coming white, if your motions and gases are not having smell, you are hale and healthy, no need of going to any diagnosis at all. Why these doctors are cheating us? They have learned how to cheat the humanity without having humanity, which means they have studied education, MBBS, MS, MD, but not values. Bridges we are constructing. What is happening? Within few years, bridges are having cracks. Roads we are seeing. For every 3-4 years, roads are getting damaged. Why? Though they are studying engineer certificate, they do not have a common sense, a empathy for these passengers who are going to travel on that. They have taken money, but they are corrupt. So values are not there in the education. So this Lead India is appealing to you. You as a father, you as a mother, you are the best teachers. And all the teachers community, I am hereby respecting all of you. I am also a teacher. We have lost respect for our teaching community, my dear friends. Why? Are we doing our jobs sincerely? Or then if we do our job sincerely, we have to win the heart of every student. We have to clarify the doubts of every student. We have then thereby beyond education, can you say, student, you are my friend. Remove the distance between the student and teacher. Win the heart of the student as a co-human being. Thereby, they all will say, Acharya Devo Bhava. As I told in the beginning, I am not Acharya is not my real name. But today, more than 18 lakh students, they all say Acharya Devo Bhava. So why I am holding this Acharya? Why I am conducting this Lead India as a national movement? Need of the hour is respect the teacher. Teachers are real nation builders. More than parents, it is teachers who respect the teachers. So my appeal to all my teaching friends, including my mother and teacher, my mother and fathers, they are the first teachers. So all of us, please let us take a oath that values are more important than education. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, automatically will come. Parrots are also learning. Ra, 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 po, 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 po. In our houses, parrots also will be saying. All that education will be coming. But what is more important at this young age? Inculcation of human values. Most important, my dear friends. Through this mission, I thank our PMC channel to take it as a national mission. Values are not taught, values are caught, which means you as a father, mother, you as a teacher, we have to follow values whatever we are preaching. Then you all going to become acharyas. Then all of you, like me, you add acharya title after your name. It is an open secret. It is not limited to Lead India. It is PMC also. It is Brahmarshi, Patriji, Acharya, a great Acharya. So same all our meditators. Can you have this Acharyatva with your name just by me being practicing what you preach? What we are all observing? In our own house, father says to the children, hey, phone is coming, you tell them I am not available. Then that fellow will get a doubt. Why father is telling like that? He is very much available, but he says, he is asking me to say that I am not available. Here itself, he may not oppose you, but he is learning speaking lies. When he starts speaking lies at this age, you cannot correct his future. That's all. Okay? Whatever you want your children to be, like Bharata Ratna, then you have to chisel him as a Ratna. Then definitely all children will become Bharata Ratnas, my dear friends. What was Gandhiji? Gandhiji was also speaking lies. After seeing Harishchandra, he realized that never I should speak lies. And that spur of the moment has changed an ordinary Gandhiji into a Mahatma Gandhiji. That's all. So let us take this Lead India movement, and the PMC movement also is same. Satyam Bruyat, Priyam Bruyat. Na Bruyat Satyam Apriyam, my dear friends. So this is a national movement. All of us, let us dedicate, let us bring back the past ancient Indian cultural heritage of bringing Acharya, Dronacharya, Bhishmacharya. Now all of you are Acharyas. Then we all together can make this India again a Vishwa Guru with good number of children practicing values. Imagine, automatically this ancient Indian glory will come again into this present Bharat as a Vishwa Guru Bharat. So in this connection, I want to share some more things with you. In this Lead India movement, it is only the children. We believe that youth empowerment is national empowerment. Whatever today's national problems are there, for example, from last 73 years, whatever development has happened, what is the net statistics now says? 4 out of 10 are below poverty line. 4 out of 10. That means where our prosperity is going. In the words of UNO, Human Development Index reports to 2015, India is at 130 rank out of 188 countries. Why? Because 4 out of 10 are below poverty line. And what all these governments are doing? They are all giving some subsidies. Okay? And subsidies, will they remove the poverty? Whatever money you are giving, poor people spend for drinks by evening, 50% will go. So, it is something like giving fish to eat. Giving fish to eat will not solve the problem. That is why Lead India is making a shift in the process. It is not giving fish to eat, it is teaching how to fish to the students. When we teach how to fish, students can know how to fish. Whenever they want to eat fish, they will go to the seashore and catch the fish. That is how it is inculcation of values, inculcation of education in the students, then through students eradicating their family poverty. That is the unique selling point of USP of this Lead India movement. So now we have got 10 crores children below poverty line, speaking in the poverty line in India. So can all of us join together, impart this Lead India Aap Padhao Desh Ko Padhao training program to all of them, human values to all of them, imbibe with the skill development in all of them. That is what is the mission of Lead India 2020. By 2025, to train 10 crores below poverty line children studying in government schools with this sort of Aap Padhao Desh Ko Padhao. 10 crores children are there studying in private schools. They are also our children. Every child is a great treasure to this nation. So let us join all of us together. By 2025, inculcate values and skills through Aap Padhao Desh Ko Padhao training program, and through children we can solve the poverty of the country, we can solve the unemployment problem of the country, we can solve the corruption of the country through the children. So likewise, in this Lead India, we have done lot of training experiments. Dr. Kalam's oath we have implemented in Khammam, where heterodox Dr. Bandi Parsad Reddy Garu has sponsored from last 3 years. So there we have experimented sustenance programs. Each one teach 10. 1 lakh students taking up Sankalp Se Siddhi, an agenda of the joint parliament sessions to eradicate poverty. 1 lakh students in Khammam, they are eradicating illiteracy of Khammam and Kottagudem. So also rooting out the problems of the poverty, like for example, poverty is there because of illiteracy, poverty is there because of the bad habits like alcohol, smoking, drinking, etc. Now children, after undergoing this training program, they are teaching their own villagers, they are teaching their own family members, neighborhood, that by smoking and drinking, you are spoiling your health, thereby our family health, national health is spoiled, so you please stop it. Only by using prema eva niyamaha. With love, they are going to their parents and neighborhood, and with love they are appealing, they are making lot of experiments, and thereby they are stopping. It is a great bottom-up approach, where below poverty line children reforming their own family members, neighborhood and villagers, and making the village a literate village, making a healthy village without any smoking and drinking, etc. And we have done an experiment in the recent 2019 elections in Khammam district where 27 villagers, though politicians were giving money, they have not taken money. 27 villages. Children, youth, they have done. Information has gone to the Khammam collector. Khammam collector has given this information to the election commissioner, chief election commissioner. They got my address and telephoned and told me, you are doing great service, sir. We cannot believe. Though their money is being given, the voters are rejecting. This is what India wants. This is what value systems we want. This is what we want. Satyameva Jayate of this country. This is how all of us can take up this as a national movement. Lead India means what? Leading the youth to lead India, to lead the world. That's all, my dear friends. All these experiments you also can do at your own houses and communities. Thereby we can do. And at the end, I want to share with you, in our journey from 2014 till now, 2020, in these 16 years, the whole educational departments have taken a lot of contributions from our movement, using the children as the change agents, making children's clubs in their own schools, giving the responsibilities of the school discipline, school academics, school scientific temper, school literary and cultural groups, school games and sports, school community services. Children are taking the responsibility, my dear friends. Believe them, give them the responsibility. They will do wonders, my dear friends. The whole education department is adopting the practices that Lead India has done. Now everywhere you will see Lead India clubs in every school. In every villages, Lead India clubs are coming up. Okay, 9 states of India are replicating the Lead India Aap Badho Desh Ka Badhao training programs. It has spread into 11 countries. It has become a global movement, my dear friends. In this global movement, now you are all PMC members, PMC and Lead India, all of us together. We are working with the same objectives, humanity and happiness, through meditation, through reformation, through children and youth, and through bringing the Indian cultural heritage. That is what is our common objective. So, youth and the nation and the humanity, can you take it forward, my dear friends? Okay. So, likewise, even in the community, you have seen Lead India. Times of India has brought Lead India throughout the nation. Where from they have brought that Lead India? It is from this Lead India. Many pictures have come with our resource books. Lot of pictures have come. Now Lead India, just like Team India, it has become a brand ambassador for leading our youth to Lead India, my dear friends. So we wholeheartedly welcome you to join in this Lead India movement, PMC, meditation, everyone, for the sake of the youth, for the sake of the nation, for the sake of the happiness, for the sake of the values. Lead India, Lead India, Lead India. May God bless all of you. Lead India.